Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, today I'm going to remove some scratches on my car, and let me show you what I'm talking about. So these are the scratches. Hopefully the camera can catch. I can't see them. Yep, you probably can see it. A couple of scratches here, couple of on top, and here on the back door too. This side is worse than the other one. Other one is pretty good. So as you can see, a lot of rough scratches. So now I'm going to use this pre-cut solution right here, and we'll see if this will work or not. Severe Remover 2.0. So I'm going to use this and I'll show you in the time lapse, so stay tuned. Guys, so let me show you the scratch marks right here, and I did a little bit of wet sanding. I have to do a little bit more to remove that thing, as you can see. So the top is not bad. So as you can see, two of the door, I have to do a little bit more here, Other than that, that door is good. I did the half door. I have to do the whole thing again, but not too crazy. So I want to show you all the stretch marks, scratches, and see that this looks like fresh. Maybe the kids put the scratch with their cycles. So the back, so every scratch marks I'll show you. There is a lot of scratches. I don't know if it's gonna focus. So yeah, there are a lot of scratches here and here, around here, micro scratches. It's really hard to see with the camera eyes. As you can see, right here, a lot of scratches. Here, on top of the actually car. So all these, I'm going to fix it, and after I polish the whole car, I'll show you. I will not polish the hood yet because I still have to fix that rusty part. So I don't want to do this like in two parts. Maybe if I had time, I will try to do this way and only leave this part from here. So other than that, the front bumper, I have to sand it, wet sand it, and try to do it if I had time. But for now, I'm just gonna do on the side, and then I'll show you at the end result. Alright guys, so here is the result after polishing and doing the wax. Still have some spots on the hood because it's cloudy. Maybe you will not be able to see, but probably can see it. Other than that, very small spot here and there, which is really hard to take out with the polishing. So the thing I use is a swerve remover 2.0 Magnior brand. So this is how it looks after polishing and waxing. So let me know guys, what do you think?